Hello, my name is Capa Salinas, and in today's video, we're going to talk about publishing your research. You finished your project, now what? Now it's time to publish your research. Why will you do this? First, you want to contribute knowledge to the academic community. You also want to peer review your methods and findings. You want to receive feedback from the community. You also want to do it for personal and educational value, to protect your intellectual property, to receive recognition for the work that you did, to bridge the gap of knowledge, even the things that you found that were good and the not so good things that you found, and you also want to do it for personal satisfaction. There are three types of publications. Journal articles are published in journals and they are generally peer-reviewed. Conference proceedings are presented at conferences. They are not usually peer-reviewed and they are not usually published. And other ways such as theses, technical reports, science communication media, magazine articles, books, and patents. So you have to choose your audience. Let's take journal articles as an example. The first step will be to choose what you want to write about. You have many things that you discover and all the findings that you have to choose a couple to convey your message. Step 2 is to choose a journal. How will you do this? Well, you can check with other people what are they publishing and where are they publishing. You can check your literature review, ask your mentors, or check related work. You can also check journals' websites and read their aims and scope. You can also use publishers' tools to find the right journal for you. Publishers such as Taylor and Francis, Springer Nature, and Elsevier have tools where you can put your keywords and abstract and they will suggest you the right journal for you. You also want to use third-party tools such as SciRev or Jane. Step 3 is write your paper. How will you do this? Well, you can also start with a template. You can always ask your mentors for a template or a previous paper. You can also check your literature review to see what is common in your field. And here's a suggested table of contents. It has an abstract, an introduction, materials and methods, results, conclusions, acknowledgments and other statements, references, and appendix. Check what's common in your field, and you can always ask your mentors. Step 4, submit your paper to a journal. When you do that, step 5 is navigate the peer review process. An editor is going to decide if they are going to send it to reviewers, and then the reviewers are going to decide and if there is merit and there is a strong publication that you submitted, and then they will tell you if it's a yes or a no. If it's a yes, you go to step 6, which is production and open access agreement. Here are the 6 steps. Some people will argue that step 2 and 3 can be interchangeable, so you can write your paper first and then you can choose a journal, ask your mentors and check what is common in your field. Thank you.